Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting inside Capcut with your timeline ready. Select the clip you want to change. Make sure you're on the export screen or the project settings panel where color options live. Once done, switch to the Advanced or Codec tab. Capcut may hide color management behind Export Advanced. You'll see presets like Rec. 709 and Rec. 2020. Choose the intended target now, so the rest of the adjustments apply correctly, and you avoid re-exporting later. Now you choose the actual color space, tap Rec. 709 for standard video Rec. 2020 for HDR workflows or sRGB for web. You'll also set gamma and gamut options. Adjust gamma if footage looks too flat or clipped because gamma shifts brightness and midtones. Use the preview window and any waveform or histogram to verify highlights and shadows. Once done, scrub the timeline to watch transitions and motion. Make small tweaks so skin tones and highlights remain natural while preserving intended color range. Finish by exporting a short test clip using your chosen color space and intended codec. Check it on the target display. If colors shift, make sure you enabled profile conversion rather than leaving source and output mismatched, and try a different render codec. Some codecs strip metadata. Once done, confirm playback on multiple devices. If problems persist, update Capcut, re-import original media, or convert footage in a dedicated color tool that fixes persistent profile tagging or compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.